Hello students, welcome again in maths classes. Today we are going to discuss or solve the exercise 2.5, the remaining questions. Some questions yesterday we have solved in the last video, and remaining parts are now we will solve. From 1 to 5 question we have solved. So let's start from the question number 6, part first, and this whole of the exercise which is based on the algebraic identities. And in the last previous video I wrote some identities on the blackboard. There are about 9 identities were there, and I hope that you have learned them. So let's start the part first of the question number 6 is 2x plus 1 whole cube. 2x plus 1. Extend the following. First part is 2x plus 1 whole cube. Identity for it, x plus y whole cube is equals to x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy या फिर 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now apply x is 2x and y is 1 in the given. Then 2x plus 1 whole cube is equals to 2x whole cube 1 cube 3 into 2x whole square 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1 square because y square 8x cube plus 1 4 1 से होगा सेम and 3 2s are 6x only, and 1 square is 1, and 1 into 6x will be 6x. Next step 8x cube power 3 then power 2 4 3s are 12x square. I am just arranging plus 6x plus 1. It is the first part of the question number 6. And now I am going to simplify the last fourth part, and remaining parts you will try to solve. Last part is x minus 2y upon 3. The identity here, the minus symbol is given. So the identity for it, x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So just open the brackets. A cube, sorry, x cube minus y cube minus y is 2y plus 3 cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. उम्मीद करता हूं समझ में आ रही होगी. x cube minus 8y cube upon 27. 3 cancel by 3. Minus x square y and 2 also. Then minus 2x square y. And 3 square is here. 1 3 cancel by this. देखो ये ऐसे लिखा जाएगा. इस स्टेप को लिख रहा हूं बस यहाँ पे. 3x into 4y square upon 9. Then 3 3s are. So 4xy square upon 3. 4xy square upon 3. So set Since it is the answer of question number first part, second two parts are remaining of this question, and you will solve yourself of the remaining question. Next question is, evaluate the following using the suitable identity. Total three parts are there. First is 99 cube, second is 102 cube, and third is 998 cube. I am going to tell you only one part of this question and remaining two parts you will solve. Plus मैं थोड़ा explain कर देता हूँ. It can be written in written in this formation, because 99 is equals to 100 minus 1 and 100 minus 1 is also equals to 99. And why are we using this method? Because in this question it is given that do not solve directly, you have to use the algebraic identities. So that's why I am doing like this, and it can be right in this formation. Are you getting my point? And this can be right in this formation. Sorry, here cube. Clear? Let's suppose it is x and it is y, then x minus y whole cube is equals to x minus y. No. X cube minus y cube plus 3 minus 3 x square y plus 3 xy square. Now open this 1000 minus 2 whole cube, 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 square into 2 plus 3 into 1000 into 2 square. This is equals to, there will be total 9 zeros. And now 1000 and 1 billion. देखो 1 times 100, 1000 times 1000, 100,000, and million, 10 million, 100 million, and it is billion, 1 billion. Minus 8 minus 3 into 1 million, and 3 into 2 is 6, and then 3 4s are 12, it is 12,000. This one will be add, पहले इसको माइनस करते हैं या फिर ऐड कर दो. चलो 1 कितने हैं 3 3 यहाँ पे, फिर 1 2 1 2 0 0 0 एंड देन 1 2 यहाँ 1 2 3 4. क्लियर? माइनस 6 0 0 0 0 0 8 1 2 3 4 5 and 8. Now difference of these both, 2 9 again 9 and 1, it is ये हुआ 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 again 1 60, then 60 0 4 9 9 पंच. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? देखो थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टीज यहाँ आ गई प्लस माइनस करने में, और बाकी मेथड वही है, अपने को आइडेंटिटी अप्लाई कर देनी है और वैल्यूज पुट कर देनी है, अब और फिर कैलकुलेट कर देना है। हाँ मे भी पॉसिबिलिटीज है गलत होने की, चेक कर देना एक बार, एंड द रिमेनिंग यू विल सॉल्व योरसेल्फ। Now student, next part of this factorize the each of the following. It is the very important part of this exercise. Factorize each of the following. This factorization you will continue in the whole of the mathematics and in the 10th, 11th, 12th and the college level also for the further all the examinations. So it is a very important topic and you have to solve each and every part of this question from your book, from your additional book, from left, right, from any other, but you have to solve it. In the very important, the very most topic you have the examinations, you have the competitive examinations and you have the knowledge also. So let's begin. Question number 8. Factorize each of the following. Statement is, first statement, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. What we are doing right now, a cube plus b cube plus a square b plus ab square. So here 3 is also available and here also available. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So possibilities are here that we can apply two identities, a plus b whole cube and or a minus b whole cube, if possible then, but the conditions are in favor of these both identities. So which identity is suitable for this? All the symbols are positive. So as much as possible we will use a plus b whole cube. How? 8 is cube of 2, then 2a cube, b cube. ए आपके अक्स आपके पास ये है, y आपके पास ये है, यहां की स्टेप होती है 3x स्क्वायर y, इनको इसमें रखो 3 इंटू 2x स्क्वायर इंटू एट द प्लेस ऑफ x is 2a, sorry 2a and y is b. Now simplify in your mind and check this result is equal to this or not. If yes, then the statement is true. 4 3s are 12ab, yeah 12ab, 12a square b, sorry. So it is 3 and we can write 2a whole square b. इससे आगे स्टेप होती है प्लस 3x y square for this 3. x is 2a and y is b whole square. So 3 2s are 6ab square. 6ab square, तो मतलब इसको ऐसे स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं हम 3 2a plus b. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equals to a प्लस बी होल क्यूब. और इसको फैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्मेशन में लिखें 2a प्लस बी 2a प्लस बी एंड 2a प्लस b. It is the answer of this part. Next, I am going to tell you the fourth part. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144 a square b and 108 ab square. देखो x क्यूब माइनस y क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3x स्क्वायर y प्लस 3xy स्क्वायर, ऐसा हो सकता है, पॉसिबल है. फर्स्ट check for this. It is the cube of 4a whole cube. लिखा गया. 27 को लिख सकते हैं अपन 3b cube minus 3a square b. That a 4a square b is 3b plus 3a. A is 4a b square. ये तो है ना अपनी आइडेंटिटी. x क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब माइनस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. तो उसमें रख के देख लो ना, a और b का पता चल गया, आगे की वैल्यूज इसके अकॉर्डिंग रख लो. अब चेक करो. नाउ चेक दिस वन एंड दिस वन. दिस बाय दिस एंड दिस विद दिस. बोथ आर इक्वल और नॉट. माइनस या नेक्स्ट 4 4 जा 16 16 3 3 जा 9 9 and 16 is equals to 144. Correct. A square from here and b from here. So this step is correct. Next 9 4 जा 36 3 जा 108 a from here and b square from here. So this is also correct. And finally we can say that this is an identity for 4a minus 3b. X minus y whole cube is this. And we can write, we are writing the factors, so you can write separately all of them. Okay students, and now I am going to do the last part of the same question. p cube fifth part minus 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon अगेन a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब पॉसिबल हो सकता है. 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस सिस्टम ठीक वैसा ही लग रहा है. सो वी कैन यूज if possible then we will use, otherwise we will use the other identity. So let's check first. 27 is cube of 3, then 3p whole cube minus 1 is, and it is the whole cube of 1 upon 6. 1 cube is 1 and 6 cube is 216. Again minus 3a square b, क्या होता है 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 3a square 3p square and b is 1 upon 6 plus 3. A is 3b and b is 1 upon 6 whole square. So the values are, just open the brackets. Sorry, there is no need. Check once. These both are equal or not. 3 2s are 6. क्या बचा? 2 3 upon 2p square. Sorry 3 square 9 upon 2p square. ये तो मैच हो गया. ये रहा आपके पास 3 into 3p upon 1 square is 1 and 6 square is 6 into 6. 2 times again 2 times p upon 4. So it is also p upon 4. So both are perfect. And for this we can use an identity 3p a minus b. Okay, it's okay. Okay, then student, let's start the question number 9th. बच्चे भी कर लीजिएगा. Question number 9. Verify x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y x square plus xy plus y. मतलब हमें ये बताना है कि इससे ये मिलता है या फिर इससे ये मिलता है, हमें ये वेरीफाई करना है. बस दोनों इक्वल हैं, वी हैव टू शो इट दैट बोथ आर इक्वल. मतलब if we will simplify this or if we will solve this, then our answer will equals to this or not. We have to check. If is correct, then the statement is also correct. And we can use this one also. If we will solve this and simplify this, then your answer is equals to this or not. If it is possible, then statement is correct. So just it is the left hand side of the statement and is the right hand side of the statement. And I am going to solve the right hand side RHS, taking RHS. X minus y x square plus xy plus y square, then x will multiply with this x square plus xy plus y square minus y, again y multiply by this x square plus xy plus y square. Now open this bracket, it will become x cube plus x square y plus xy square minus x square y minus, now all the symbol will change, x y square minus y cube. X square y plus and minus cancel and this plus and minus cancel, remaining are x cube minus, here minus symbol is there, x cube minus y cube, which is equals to LHS. So it is verified that the given statement is true, and one part is remaining of this question, which is x prove that x cube plus y cube is equals to x minus y, sorry x plus y, x cube x square प्लस है ना, तो यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा xy प्लस y स्क्वायर. ये वाला सिस्टम इसके लिए तो सेम है. RHS को सिंपलीफाई कर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. The given question is factorize each of the following. One part I am solving and only two parts are there, first and second. Second part I am solving and the remaining first part he will solve, and the second part is, ध्यान से देखिए भैया, 64m cube minus 343 n cube, 343 n cube. देखो 4m whole cube, क्योंकि 64 4 का क्यूब होता भी है, and 343 is the whole cube of 7m cube. X cube minus y cube, x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. The first identity or first part of the 9th question as I proved here. So finally 4m minus 7m whole cube, cube this one and this one also is equals to x minus y, 4m minus 7n है 7m, 4m minus 7n, 4m square plus 4m into 7n plus 7 and square. Are you getting or not? Okay, student. Now next 4m minus 7m. Open these. 16m square plus 7 fours are 28m plus 49m square. So this is this one and this one. Both are factors of this part. And the first part you will solve, and some questions are remaining of this exercise, and we will solve all these questions in the next video. And student, I hope that all the parts as I taught you on the blackboard you understood very easily and very carefully, and remaining part we will solve in the next video. And if you have any doubt and any query about any question and method, you can comment in your comment box and you can suggest also to me. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this mathematics. Thank you.